this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an incline alternating dumbbell chest press, but we're going to be using a stability ball to create that incline. So by no means am I saying that this is a better alternative to doing just this on a normal bench, but it is an alternative if you don't have a bench. Maybe you've got a stability ball and you're looking for exercises that work various different muscle groups. And this is an exercise that's going to hit the upper chest fibers. Now, when you've got yourself sat in the middle of the ball, if you're using light weights like I am for the purpose of this demonstration, you'll be able to pick the weights up with a nice straight back and then be able to place them on your knees. If you're using heavy weights, make sure that you squat down, pick the weights up with a nice straight back, and then sit back onto your Swiss or stability ball. Now, for me to get into the appropriate position, I'm going to bring my elbows into my ribs. I'm then going to start walking out. And for the incline version, I want to make sure that my feet are hip width apart, toes are pointing forwards, and I want to make sure that my hips are low. If my hips are too high, I'm going to start to get that flat bench variation. So for incline, we want hips low. Now, head neutral, and from this position, because it's alternating, I'm going to be doing one side at a time. So as I'm doing this, the additional benefits that I'm getting are there's going to be more core, quadricep, glute and hamstring activation. Of course, if you've got one side stronger than the other, you're going to also find that you'll be able to work them equally and focus on one side at a time. Now, when you're doing the movement, one side's coming up, and you know when you're finished with the movement because you should feel the back of your tricep come back in contact with the Swiss ball. You're coming directly up and in and out and down. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, bring your elbows into your ribs again, start to walk your feet back until you're back into your upright position and the dumbbells are on your knees. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a stability ball incline alternating dumbbell chest press.